In this lecture, we will discuss about the second category of protect function, that is awareness and training. Awareness and training has total two subcategories. First subcategory requires that employees and relevant third parties are provided with generic cybersecurity awareness and training. Second category requires that individuals in specialized roles are provided with cybersecurity awareness and training as relevant to their roles. Easiest way to implement both the subcategory is first to develop a comprehensive training plan that outlines the objectives, content, delivery methods, and frequency of training sessions. Identify the specialized roles within the organization that require additional cybersecurity training as relevant to their job function. Specialized role may include physical and cybersecurity team, finance team, senior leadership, and any other team that have access to business critical data. Provide role-based cybersecurity awareness and training to those who are involved in specialized role as we discussed earlier. Conduct regular assessment, quiz, and simulations to evaluate the knowledge retention and effectiveness of the training. Also, provide annual refreshers to reinforce the existing practices and introduce any new practices. You may like to refer our clause 16 of template 1, that is cybersecurity policy, to understand the procedures for cybersecurity awareness and training. You can download the template from resource section of the Udemy. You may like to use the same template and modify according to your requirement. That's all for this lecture. In our next lecture, we will discuss about the third category, that is data security. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video and want to have complete access to our CSF 2.0 course, please do check the link available at the description.